In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate lists for a faster setup in Trello. This simple yet effective trick will save you time and make your workflow much more efficient. Now, whether you're new to Trello or looking to optimize your project management system, duplicating lists is a great way to improve your processes without having to recreate the wheel each time you start a new project. First, let's begin by heading over to your Trello board. If you haven't already, log into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board where you want to duplicate a list. This board is essentially the hub for your project, where all your tasks and lists are organized. Once you're on the board, it's time to locate the list you want to duplicate. Scroll through your lists until you find the one you want to work with. Next, you'll need to click on the three dots situated on the upper right side of the list you wish to duplicate. This icon is commonly referred to as the More menu, and it's going to give you additional options related to that list. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, providing you with more ways to interact with your list. In this menu, you'll see an option to copy list. Clicking on copy list will allow you to create a duplicate of the existing list. This is particularly useful if you have a set structure or template that you commonly use and you want to replicate it without starting from scratch every time. Now, right after you click copy list, you'll be prompted to type in the new list name. This step is crucial for organizing your board because it enables you to easily identify your newly duplicated list. Make sure to choose a clear and concise name that reflects the content or purpose of the list, so you can quickly locate and use it in the future. Lastly, once you've named your list, simply click on Create List. Congratulations, you've successfully duplicated your list. Your new list will now appear on your board, ready and waiting for you to edit and tailor it to fit your project's needs. This process of duplicating lists can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to quickly establish a consistent framework with minimal effort. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just dealing with extensive tasks, duplicating lists ensures you can maintain a well-organized board without redundant effort. Keep practicing this method, and in no time you'll master the art of efficient project setup in Trello. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.